that dream. All this grew from that seed. Pain comes from that beauty, right? So real is all that I bleed. Hate is all that I see. This world divided in three. If my lyrics change the world, I swear this music's all I breathe. I took that pain, I let it out. It don't take control of me no more. Lately I've been MIA, back to work, right back from tour. Yeah, of course we took some L's, one L closer to a plaque. They told me to save my profits, I left back, invested that. Cause all my peers took that diploma route. I took my Mac and notes and all my time devoted that to a vision they said wasn't near attainable, but odds were meant to be defied. Remember that we're coming now. Some of my old friends changed up, listening to all my old stuff, saying that this ain't us. Yeah, we all go through some searching, but somehow found this destination. Welcome to my journey, this was too belated. I've been finally learning lessons. Guess you gotta hit the bottom just to find out where you were wrong. Safe to say I got a million of regrets, but forget them for the night. Tonight we let go of the stress, yeah. Safe to say I've been finally learning lessons. Guess you gotta hit the bottom just to find out where you were wrong. Safe to say I got a million of regrets, but forget them for the night. Tonight we let go of the stress, yeah. Safe to say that I don't know where we're going, yeah. Yeah, safe to say that I don't know where we're going, yeah. Coexist, but I manifest what I got, yeah, yeah, yeah. Find the most about myself when I'm lost, yeah, yeah, yeah. Drink it up, pour it up, y'all sound ridiculous. Plain dumb, but you write it still, cause nowadays that's how you blow, and that's how you know that the media's whack. Chasing this feeling until I collapse. Could've kept going the industry way, but my fans don't really need me like that. Make it all on my own, make it all from my soul. Yeah, this is my revolution, no, yo, comments can't control what I'm doing now. Depressive seasons strike the trees and they gon' hear me now. If this life is such a blessing, why we keep on running? Ground zero for a moment, but soon we'll see the summit, yeah. I've been finally learning lessons. Guess you gotta hit the bottom just to find out where you were wrong. Safe to say I got a million of regrets, but forget them for the night. Tonight we let go of the stress, yeah. Safe to say I've been finally learning lessons. Guess you gotta hit the bottom just to find out where you were wrong. Safe to say I got a million of regrets, but forget them for the night. Tonight we let go of the stress, yeah. Safe to say that I don't know where we're going, yeah. Safe to say that I don't know where we're going, yeah.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm a loner when everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Y'all already know. Yeah, that's right. Y'all better watch out. NFX is on the rise.